AI in nurse triage, why clinical insight still matters. When it comes to patient safety, artificial intelligence is making huge strides. But AI alone isn't enough. In nurse triage, the stakes are too high for technology to replace human judgment. Studies show that AI-only tools can misclassify symptoms, sending patients to the ER when they don't need to go, or worse, missing red flags for serious conditions. That's why TriageLogic blends the power of AI with the expertise of registered nurses and industry-standard protocols. Our solutions streamline call volume, improve documentation, and help providers respond faster, all while ensuring patients feel heard, cared for, and safe. With TriageLogic, you get smarter tools guided by nurses with years of experience so that you can deliver better outcomes with confidence. Are you ready to make the triage process easier and more reliable? Contact us today to learn more about a program.